Hey there, architecture and design enthusiasts. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We'll be taking a closer look at a stunning 5BHK Revit design model, and we'll discuss how you can use a complete Revit model for your upcoming projects. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Alright, let's get started. As you may know, Revit is a powerful building information modeling software that allows architects and designers to create detailed 3D models of their projects. Today, we have a 5BHK Revit model that's nothing short of impressive. Now, let's talk about why using a complete Revit model like this one can be a game changer for your design projects.
Time saving. Creating a Revit model from scratch can be time-consuming. By starting with a complete model like this, you can significantly reduce the time needed to get your project off the ground. Accuracy. The accuracy of BIM models is unmatched. You can ensure that all elements fit together seamlessly, minimizing errors during construction. Visualization. Revit models offer 3D visualization, helping you and your clients better understand the design before it's built. Collaboration. You can easily collaborate with other professionals, such as structural engineers and contractors, by sharing your Revit model. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get my hands on this incredible 5BHK Revit model? Well, it's simple. You can become a CivilMix Patreon supporter. By becoming a CivilMix Patreon member, you not only gain access to this model, but also to a treasure trove of other models and families that can be invaluable for your projects.
That wraps up our exploration of the 5BHK Revit model and how to use complete Revit models for your projects. Remember, Revit can be a game changer in the world of architecture and design, and with resources like CivilMix's Patreon, you have a valuable tool at your disposal. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or want to see more content like this, leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!